Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing how to dress with confidence. Now, this is another video on the confidence series.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these moms.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important for you to shift your mindset from a negative one to a more positive one. The reason I focus on this is because your mindset has an impact on all areas of your life. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm. So I want to start off by saying that having confidence with the way that you dress isn't wearing only like cute things. It has to do with being confident and feeling good in what you're wearing and not caring, listen to this, not caring what other people think of your outfit. Because I am the queen of not caring what people think of my outfit. You can ask anybody in my life. I don't care. I don't care if other people think, oh, like, why did you think that went together? Or, oh, why anything negative about what I put on. Because I literally go to my clothes, pick out, oh, okay, this is the shirt I want to wear. These are the pants I want to wear. And I keep it moving. You know, I purposely mismatch my socks. So they're folded mismatched because I don't like matching socks. I'm addicted to socks, but I don't like them to match. And I also don't care if I match my whole outfit. It doesn't matter to me because I feel good in the clothes that I have purchased. That's why I purchased them. And that's what matters to me. So if you think that this video is going to tell you specifically what to wear to look confident or be confident, go ahead and click off because this is not the video for you. I don't do that. So if you just want to be comfortable and feel good and know you look good in what you wear, no matter what other people's opinions are, keep on watching. So it's important for you to wear clothes that you actually like and feel comfortable in, because a lot of times you might like something but you're not comfortable in it. Don't get me wrong, there are going to be days like that. I've worn heels plenty of times and regretted it at one point. I'm not gonna lie, I've regretted it at one point, but it wasn't to where I felt as though I made a horrible choice, because I did it more than once. You know how they say beauty is pain? I don't do that often, so there are going to be a few times where I do that, and that's just based on the setting of where I'm going to be going. Just know that what you have on, you look good in. And when you work on your confidence on the inside, it makes it easier for how you feel on the outside. So if you haven't seen my How to Be Confident video, go check it out. The link will be in the description. Having confidence on the inside is going to make it easier for you to not care about other people's opinion, because you've already worked on putting your opinion of yourself first. So tell yourself you look good. Look yourself in the mirror and say, damn, I look good. Check yourself out. Give yourself compliments. And if you're wearing what you feel you're comfortable in, then there's no reason why you should feel like you're lying to yourself. And also, if you've worked on your inside, then it'll be easier, like I said already, to be confident on what you have on the outside. It's always good to just throw on a t-shirt, some shorts, whatever, but some days you're gonna want to wear something sexy. So find different things, different outfits that you just feel sexy in, and wear those, especially on days where you need it, where you feel like, oh, I don't feel like I look that great today. Throw that sexy outfit on and rock it. Rock it around your house, rock it around the mall, rock it around the grocery store. Just wear it and embrace it and just check yourself out. Buying clothes that you actually like, you won't be sitting in your closet looking at all of them and be like, oh, I have nothing to wear. Because when you have a small option of clothing and you like all of those pieces, it'll be easier to, one, make a choice on what you want to wear, and two, you'll know that you like that outfit because You were mindful when you purchased it. You didn't just buy it just to buy it. Don't do that mindless spending, okay? Buy what you actually like. Buy what you actually feel you look good in. My wardrobe is pretty small. I have like 2 to 3 dresses where they're also my like sexy outfit where I just feel like I look so good. And my other clothes are pretty basic. They're like t-shirts. I just got this one. My sister bought it for me. It's God is Dope. I really like it. It has a bunch of different colors on there, and it's a really big t-shirt. I love big tees. They're so comfy, and then like you can wear them without pants too. I have a few big tees that I wear, and I rock them as big dresses. Check out my Instagram. It'll be in the description below. I literally, if you see how I dress, you may even have an opinion on it. But guess what? Your opinion isn't going to stop me from wearing it, because that's how confident I am on the inside, and that's how confident I feel when I wear these clothes. A lot of my clothes I've either gotten from my sister or a secondhand store, like Goodwill or any thrift store. I love thrifting. I highly recommend. It does take time, it does take patience, but thrifting is always a good time. One of my dresses, actually 2 of the dresses that I have are from Goodwill, and I absolutely love them. One of them is like maroon. It's a tight fitting. It's cut off right here, but it's like a loose turtleneck as well, and it's like long all the way to my calves, but it's like form fitting all the way through, and I'm just like, you look good. And that's why I wear it. And the clothes that I purchase, if I don't look at myself like that, I don't buy it, because I want to feel good in the clothing that I'm wearing. I want to look at myself and be able to check myself out and be like, damn girl. So if you're not doing that with the clothes you got on, you got the wrong clothes. But bottom line, put your opinion of yourself before others. Wear what you feel sexy in. Wear what you feel comfortable in. And don't let other people's opinion have an impact on the way that you dress. I have heard so many times, you look tacky, but I look good though. That's how I feel when I look at myself. So I'm just like, that's my response. Like, you may feel like I don't look good, but I feel like I look good, and that's what matters. I'm not dressing for other people. So remind yourself of that. You're not dressing for other people. You're dressing for yourself, and that's what matters. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up for the algorithm so that way it can reach more people. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you are watching this. Thank you so much for your support. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.